Ever wondered what would happen if you added just 1 minute of planking into your daily routine? One small move that can bring big results. Today, we're breaking down what happens when you commit to planking for just 60 seconds every day. Spoiler alert, it's more than you might think. Number 1, core strength like never before. Let's start with the obvious. Core strength. When you plank, you're engaging your entire core, not just your abs. That includes the deep muscles of your lower back, hips, and shoulders. Planking helps you build a strong, stable core, which is essential for everything from better posture to everyday movements like bending, lifting, and even walking. Just 1 minute a day might not sound like much, but over time, your core will get stronger, more stable, and more defined. Number 2, it's not just your core, it's a full body workout. Planking might seem like a core exercise, but surprise, it's a full body move. From your arms to your legs, even your glutes, planks engage muscles all over. That's why it's one of the most efficient exercises out there. And the best part? This all happens without needing any fancy equipment or gym membership. Just you, the floor, and 60 seconds of commitment. Number 3, say hello to better posture. Ever catch yourself slouching? Planks can help with that too. By strengthening your core and back muscles, planking daily can naturally improve your posture. So whether you're sitting at a desk or walking down the street, you'll stand a little taller, feeling more aligned and confident. Number 4, build mental endurance. It's not just a physical challenge, it's mental too. Planking takes focus and endurance. Holding the position, even for just a minute, can push your mental limits. As you practice daily, you'll not only get stronger physically, but also improve your mental toughness. This can translate into more resilience in other areas of your life. The discipline you build in that 1 minute a day can ripple into everything from work to personal challenges. So what can you expect over time? Here's a breakdown of your progress if you plank every day for 1 minute. Week 1. In the first week, you might struggle to hold the position. Your arms might shake, your core might burn, but that's completely normal. Your body is waking up muscles you haven't used this way before. Week 2. By week 2, you'll start to notice it gets easier. Your muscles are getting stronger, and you'll feel more stable in the position. Week 3 to 4. By the 3rd and 4th weeks, you'll feel the benefits in your everyday life. Better posture, less back pain, improved focus, and hey, maybe even a bit of muscle definition starting to show. So there you have it, a small daily habit that can lead to big changes. Just 1 minute a day can improve your core strength, posture, mental endurance, and overall fitness. It's the ultimate bang for your buck exercise, requiring no equipment, no gym, just you and a minute of focus. If you're ready to make a simple yet powerful change in your fitness routine, try adding a plank to your day. Stick with it for a month and see what happens. You might just be surprised. Get your free monthly ebook and explore the latest apparel at fitandflourish.store.